Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I have a fun unboxing, but I also wanted to take a moment to show you this adorable card I got from Janet Birdsall. It's handmade. Look how intricate those pieces are. And she's got a little pocket. So thank you for the beautiful handmade card for my birthday, Janet. I appreciate it. What do I got to show you today? Well, I commissioned my friend Sandy at Woolamina, and I said, you know, I end up selling a lot of my antique books, and then I don't have papers that I can just play with all the time. And if you know Sandy at Woolamina Junk Journals, you know she has some amazing antique books and ephemera. And so she put together, I just wanted to let you know because I'm sure she would, she has some in her shop. She has a shop on the Maker's Market. She also has her website. But she put this all together for me and I couldn't be happier. I do have to apologize. I've been doing painting. I'm taking a break. So if you see things on my paint sweatshirt and my hands, that's what it is. But we have some 1894 paper. Oh, it's going to be fun. I just love this kind of stuff. I mean, I won't go through every single thing, but I'm excited to have it. That's for sure. So thank you for filling that request. 1872, 1899. She's also fabulous about 1906, putting dates when she can. She's very good at cataloging these things. Look at this. This is just so much fun. I have started a journal using some kind of antique pages, and I stopped because I was running low, and so I was excited to get this so I can bust it back out and show you. I am using one of the fabric covers that I made when I was staying with Mo, and I made like, how many did I end up making? 15 or 18, something like that. So these will all come in very, very handy. It's all various sizes from small to large. 1803 dictionary. Mushrooms. Yay. So see how sweet that is? She just, you know, thinks of me. This is gorgeous. You should feel that. It's wonderful. So if you're looking for things like this, I think this would be a fantastic $17.95. Are you kidding me? Wow. This is in German, it looks like. 1854. Ooh, that's pretty. That's cool too. Ooh, you can feel the rating, the raised rating on that. And that's in another language too. Maybe Swedish. 1925, 1846. Oh, I cannot wait to get my hands on this. So thank you for that. Then she sent me some other things, and I think maybe a couple things that or maybe just one thing I purchased. I'm not sure. So we're going to open it up. It's going to get crinkly here for a second. And as you can tell, I'm not at in my craft room, so I don't have a lot of space. So I'll try to do this as well as I can without causing too much of a problem. Let's start with this. Oh, she put let's see what this is. My birthday card. It says happy birthday. But then she wrote on the front and then left this blank. She knows. That girl knows. Thank you, dear. All right, let's see what's in here. Now, this kind of looks like a lot of mousy stuff. Which I need to get those. I have one mouse journal that I'm doing from the things that you guys, from the journals that you recommended that I do. Hold on, let me just rip the Band-Aid off here. I know some of you love that sound, some of you don't. I'm not a big fan of it, but it's fine if I'm opening it myself, but look at this. With the old piece of, this is a crazy quilt piece, antique crazy quilt piece. Look at that little Sprite bottle. Oh my gosh. And a camper on the back. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt with a sheep. Love it. This is a Space Mouse Viewmaster card. That's fantastic. And then this one says Clear View Milk and Cream Can Numbering System. Oh, I love that. And then, oh, that's what all of these are. I thought I saw something that said, I don't know why I thought something said cat on it. I don't know. I must be losing my mind. These are children's cards and flashcards. There's 45 in them in here. So this is something she has in the shop. She also sells often. I'm not going to open all of those up. I'll keep those since I got to travel back home with them. Then we have a whole bunch of other goodies. This is very William Morris-esque paper. Look at that. Cute. She's the real negative. The typewriter. Look at that little mouse. Doncella, Britain's endangered wildlife. Squirrels and mice. Love it. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Aw. She has on there CG LRB. Carol Johnson LRB. Aw. Rest in peace, girl. This is the Corn Palace in Mitchell, South Dakota. If you watched our vlogs, you probably saw that Dave and I went to visit there. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Sweet. Oh, I love it. All right, so those are the littles. And then let's see what else. Oh, a couple of things. Here, let me put those back in here. Because I'm apt to... I wish I had more time while I'm up here this time to craft, but I'm supposed to be painting, and that's more important. So that's what I'm doing. But I had a little bit of time. All right. Here's my birthday card. Now this is heavy. But I did buy from her, she had some really wide jumbo rickrack, so I bought a few yards of each of those from her at one of our live sales. And then I don't know if she just knows that I've used these, but that I use these for my assemblage and my vignettes. But she sent these to me, and so these are always great to have. So I'm excited to use those for sure. All right, let's see what we got. We've got, oh, I gotta make sure I'm in. And she put a little bit of pretty on that. Little journal card. Some mushies. Dental Labs. She finds the best dental stuff for my dental journal things. Poppies. Ooh. Look, I even have drywall mud in my fingernails. I had to clean up. Dave was doing some drywall repair. So I had to clean out the things, and I still have stuff in there. Ooh, that's neat. Ooh, very William Morris. Ooh, that's cool. It's different, isn't it? I know you can't see this probably the whole thing because I don't have a lot of space. Oh my goodness, one of my favorite books. If you're new here, you might not know that I collect these books with where the illustrators dressed up the animals. Look at that one, rummage sale, in little outfits and put them in poses. It's I just tugs at my heart because I used to dress up my cat when I was little. Oh, I love it. Yeah, cats, dogs, doesn't matter. I love them all. Now, what is this? Ooh, this is pretty. This looks like Vera Newman. Style. To achieve style, begin by affecting none. William Strunk Jr. and E.B. White, The Elements of Style. Oh, did I buy this? No. Oh, it's, yes, I think maybe I did. Kate Spade. I don't know. Oh, this is going to be fun. I'm not going to cut this. This is going to go next door in the Belle Rose, which is the girly side of the duplex, our Airbnb. So I'm going to keep that, put that. I have a couple others. I have whiskey in a teacup that I brought from home and a, it's either, yeah, Rachel, I think it's Rachel Ashwood Shabby Chic. She's the one that coined the phrase shabby chic book that I'm going to use over there. Oh, look at a Jell-O pudding idea book. I don't have this one. Love. I feel like I should be, I mean, I have enough stuff. I actually have probably more stuff to make covers for Jell-O cookbooks, but, and I think she sold these at her sale and I got one of those. Aren't those awesome? They're all handwritten. Love. And then, drawing is speaking to the eye. Talking is painting to the ear. That's cool. So she had those at one of our sales. And then, what else do we got here? This is cool with the blue handwriting. Never sleep with a film coat on your teeth, because that would be just gross. These must all be dental. See, she always has them all put together neat and tidy. This is all dental stuff. What's this? Dentistry, EP. Hussy. Resident dentist, Shane's Crossing. Artificial teeth, painless extraction. Treatment of the natural teeth, fine gold fillings. This is really cool. And Dave always loves when I get goodies and Happy Mail, or if I find something, which is not very often on the dental side of it. Sandy's the one that finds most of it. And he loves looking through it. Look at this. Now, what are these? I won't go open all of these because I like to go through them when I get home, when I file them away. But she usually puts them in order. Oh, this is all typewriter stuff. Yeah. Yeah, these are all typewriter. Love. She's so organized. Jack and Betty's magazine. That's cute. Eat an egg a day, the experts say. Oh, that's cool. I love that. I love to do patriotic journals. Here's more micey poos. Squirrels. That looks like a vole. Oh, that's a field mouse, it says. And chipmunks. Awesome. Airline goodies. American Airlines. That's cool. I know my lighting isn't very good in here. 1954. Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh. The air is yours. Use it to solve the problems. This is a National Geographic magazine. Oh, we got cowboys. Oh my gosh. She made that. That is precious. Cute. I love it when I get handmade goodies. Cowboys and music. Cowboy music. Ooh, I'm going to peek in that later. Let it go. Saddles and roping stuff. Oh my gosh, look at those poppies. California poppies. Poppy, poppy, poppy. Kitties and poppies. Oh, look at the little sheep. Choose American. Oh, camper. The Club Coach. Oh, this is all fashion. Department stores. Oh my gosh, that's... Oh, look at that. This is Denver. Wow, that's old. Oh, this will be fun. I'm going to read this. Wow. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. This is very fragile. The flag. Creative art. Oh my gosh. Those birds are adorable. But this is It's called The Grade Teacher. I'm not sure what year, but it's very fragile. Mushies. My mom made the first morel mushrooms of the season. Probably the only ones I'll find because I'm not going to have time to go mushroom hunting. But, oh, they were heaven. This is a morel mushroom right there. And they're great. You do a egg flour mix. I also like to make them with saltines, crushed up saltines, and egg and flour. Really good. Yum. I love these pages. You know, I wonder if I should tuck these in with my fussy cutting, my on-the-road fussy cutting. I'm going to do that right now. This one I can probably make into a tag, but nope. I'm going to fussy cut that one too. This happens to be right behind me. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Wow, this is a lot of beautiful stuff. Thank you very much, Sandy, for always thinking about me, for being so organized and sharing so many details on all of the beautiful things that you send. It means a lot. And thanks for your friendship. You know I appreciate you very much. I'm going to enjoy all of this, and we will talk to you next time, friends. Until then, remember to take time to just be. Cheers.